Welcome, today I am with Huawei MatePad 10.4 and today I will show you how you can connect AirPods Pro to this device. It's very simple. All you have to do, open the charging case of your AirPods. Next you have to click and hold this back button. So let's make it, click and hold it, and when this indicator starts blinking you have to release that key right now. Next you have to move for the Bluetooth settings on your Huawei MatePad and don't close this case. Keep it opening. Tap on the Bluetooth switcher to enable this feature, and you have to take a look on the available devices. As you can see, there we got the AirPods Pro, so we have to simply tap on them once, then click to pair, and as you can see, after a few moments we are connected. And basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.